President's Award is the ultimate recognition for a small number of WorldStar Packaging Award winners that have stood out amongst the crowd in a sea of outstanding, unique and innovative packaging designs. Winning entries across the 13 WorldStar Award categories are automatically reviewed by the judges in order to nominate candidates for the WorldStar President's Award. Only a lucky few are acknowledged for this prestigious global peer recognition each year. Now we have a surprise guest today for all of the winners. The President of the World Packaging Organisation, Professor Pierre Pienaar, has joined us all the way from Australia to personally congratulate each and every one of the winners today. Pierre, as the President of the World Packaging Organisation and the namesake for this award, what makes this category so special and unique?
Well, firstly, good day and wonderful to be in the same community with such special people to the WPO. And Damien, you know, it's four very different packs, each unique in their own right, each groundbreaking in their own design and innovation. My sincere congratulations and heartiest of congratulations to all four of you. Thank you for your commitment and dedication in making packaging better for more people, thus giving a better quality of life to all.
Thank you, Pierre. The 2020 President's Award bronze winner is actually a tie between Coca-Cola in Brazil for the innovative light-weighted refillable PET bottle and Plantic in Australia for the neat meats tray. Coca-Cola Brazil was recognised for a Bronze President's Award for the innovative light-weighted refillable PET bottle, suitable for all the Coca-Cola Company portfolio. The key difference is its distinctive shape. Technology applied to the bottle allows more cycles than prior design. Renewable paper labelling guarantees a clean look and the possibility of working with different marketing campaigns. Past scenarios considered one bottle design for each product with heat transfer decoration and using heavier preforms. The new design now allows empty bottle stock reduction and less setups on filling lines. Plantic Technologies in Australia was also recognised with a Bronze President's Award for the neat meats tray, using Plantic RV high barrier skin pack recyclable material. The new packaging was designed to replace Neat Meat's previous non-recyclable tray made from black hips, high impact polystyrene. The rPET is sourced from New Zealand and Australian recycled post-consumer PET bottles and in-plant PET waste from both the manufacturing of the Plantic RV tray and other waste PET streams. The addition of the Australasian Recycling logo to the Neat Meats pack will assist consumers to correctly dispose of the packaging. Plantic RV material has been shown to increase the shelf life of products. With us today is Paulo Vilas, Packaging Director, Coca-Cola Brazil, and Brendan Morris, Chief Executive Officer, and Warwick Armstrong, General Manager, Business Development and Marketing from Plantic Technologies in Australia. Thank you for being with me today, and congratulations once again on this recognition. My first question to both of you is, what makes your packaging unique? Let me start with Coca-Cola Brazil and then over to Plantic Technologies.
So first of all, thanks for the prize. Coca-Cola Brazil, we are very proud about it. We say that we have the triple benefit. So we have benefits from consumer, from the environment, and also from the business. So from consumer perspective, we have convenience. So this is a very light, very easy to carry. But the benefit now with the universal bottle is that you subscribe not only for Coca-Cola regular, but for whole the family. So have Fanta. Also, it's lighter, it's unbreakable, so you can a child can carry without any risk. But Also, we say this is the smart choice because we blend sustainability and affordability and also the choice to decide of the flavors whenever you want. From the environment perspective, we have just updated the life cycle analysis of all the returnable platform, and we can assure that the refillable PET is our top carbon footprint optimized package when we blend water, energy, and waste. So it's another very relevant environment. And finally, business. So this is a top seller, including during this COVID. So this is a packaging that really engage the consumers on any perspective, any consumer occasion. And finally, because it's fully connected with the World Without Waste, a compromise of Coca-Cola with the world. So this is the reason that we say the uniqueness of this universal bottle.
Thank you, Damien, and thank you, Pierre. It's a real honour to win the Bronze Award. I think what makes Plantic RV from Kure so globally unique is that we combine Plantic's patented biodegradable, renewable barrier plastic together with PET to make a material that's not only ultra high barrier that allows our customers to extend the shelf life of their product and reduce food waste, but also makes it very suitable for the recycling stream. And it's that combination of sustainability but performance, which I think is most important for Plantic's material. Not only do we need to be sustainable and leading edge in recyclability, but we also have to provide a unique performance property that makes our material be chosen by global brand owners and retailers.
When you both heard that you had received a joint Bronze President's Award, how did you feel?
Yeah, I'm very happy that this great project has been recognized and received this Bronze President Award, but being recognized worldwide. On my 35 years of packaging career, I would say this is one of top projects because it covers sustainability, brand, consumer communication, business, productivity, etc. And it will set the pace for the coming decades.
For us to win such an award, a global award, is a great recognition for all the hard work, for all the people that are based here in Australia, and for the Australian market as well as a whole. So I think the Australian market is a leader in developing the packaging through recyclable materials, through sustainable materials, and you know that's a real plus for us here in the Australian market too. So it's great that we've been recognised as the first Australian company to win this award, and also the first company to win in this sector. So for fresh red meat and that in that space as well. So it's a real honour for us.
Thank you, Paolo, Brendan and Warwick, for your time today. The 2020 President's Award silver winner is Café Novel in Spain for the 100% barrier compostable capsules compatible with Nespresso coffee machines. These capsules are made from renewable materials and PLA, complying with the European standard EN 13432, and in conditions of industrial compostability become composted in a period between 12 and 20 weeks. This new presentation also allows the capsule, which is a 100% barrier to the migration of oxygen, to preserve the properties of the coffee without the need for any additional wrapping for conservation in a controlled atmosphere. Each individual capsule is identified. Today we have Dolores Novel Puyadas, the Chief Executive Officer from Café Novel. Dolores, with so many non-recyclable coffee capsules around the world heading to landfill, what makes your packaging design concept so unique?
Thank you, because we have created an entire line of no waste, and this is unique because we combine the fact of no waste for your body, meaning that the coffee inside is organic coffee without no pesticides, no chemicals, and at the same time and no waste packaging, which is very good for the planet. The capsules are barrier and avoid the oxidation and preserves the quality of the coffee. The coffee is the same quality as we can have, or the same preservation that we can have in plastic or in aluminum. But at the same time, we are unique because if treated in a compostable plant, this will become compost in less than 16 weeks.
Thank you, Dolores, and congratulations once again. The 2020 President's Award Gold winner is Magna International in Singapore for the Vapro VBCI 826 Soluplast. The Vapro VBCI 826 Soluplast is an anti-corrosion, biodegradable, non-toxic, water-soluble plastic packaging film. The innovative technology has been developed to replace conventional polyethylene, non-biodegradable anti-corrosion films without the need for harmful rust. It is the first revolutionary water-soluble anti-corrosion packaging product in the world, developed by a local SME in Singapore. The design supports the zero waste management policy and solves corrosion problems within the industry, all the while with the environment in mind. Vapro VBCI 826 Soluplast exceeds the 3 R's of packaging philosophy: reduce, reuse, recycle. With us here today is Dr. Nelson Cheng, President and Chief Executive Officer from Magna International. Nelson, welcome. And would you be able to share with us what makes this biodegradable, non-toxic, water-soluble plastic packaging film so unique?
Thank you, Damien, and thank you, Piers, for attending. Well, it is unique is because, first and foremost, we are the first company in the world to make anti-corrosion film that is zero waste generation. And this product currently has been used by the military as well as the commercial sectors, because anti-corrosion film is one of the world's largest product widely used in the marine industries as well as manufacturing. So what happens is that years, tons and tons of plastics has been discharged into the ocean from the land. And we strongly feel that there's basically an urgent need for us to develop something that can be used for industrial application, as well as to generate zero waste if possible. So through several years of research, our team has developed a water-soluble plastic that can not only be used for anti-corrosion. After it's been used, you can just take the plastic and dissolve into water, and it can dissolve within 3 minutes. And after that, that water can be used as an anti-corrosion liquid that can be used for manufacturing sector for making metal components. Our product actually generates zero waste, and that makes our products pretty unique.
Nelson, there is no more coveted award in the WorldStar Packaging Awards than this one. What does this mean to you and your business, and where to from here?
And first and foremost, I would express my heartfelt thanks to the World Packaging Council and the judges involved in the selection process. It's indeed a great honor for Magna International and a Singapore company to receive such a prestigious award. Therefore, first and foremost, this award more or less confirmed our credo of solving corrosion problem with the environment in mind. Many of the corrosion solutions, we can solve corrosion problem, however, they generate industrial waste. And this award just confirmed our credo that we can solve corrosion problem with the environment in mind.
Thank you, Nelson, and congratulations once again. On behalf of the World Packaging Organisation, thank you to all of the winners in the President's Award. And it is wonderful to see such innovative packaging designs coming out of countries like Brazil, Australia, Spain, and Singapore. Pierre, any final words at all from the President of the WPO?
Well, the WPO Board of Directors who deliberated over entries for a long time, but they were so excited by the high standard of innovation. And they were particularly encouraged by the number of entries from new member countries around the world. So on behalf of the WPO, I'll make a personal appeal to future packaging designers. There is no shortage of food in the world, and yet poverty is rife. There is, however, a shortage of effective packaging to get more food to more people. There must be many solutions to this issue, and the WPO believes a solution lies in packaging. So I encourage designers to always have this challenge in mind when contemplating new packaging designs. So congratulations to all the WorldStar entries, but in particular for the gold, the silver, and the 2 bronze. You are the cream de la cream. Well done. We are proud of you. May this event make all of you feel recognized and valued, and be an inspiration to others in the field. Thank you.